Hi there everyone. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to set up a VRChat mirror with a high quality and low quality setting. So first, we're going to head on over into our packages here. We're going to scroll all the way down until we get to the worlds folder. We'll open that up and then we'll go to samples, Udon scene, then we'll click prefabs. This is where we'll pull out our mirror. So we'll just drag and drop that right there. We'll quickly rotate this so it's facing the right way. Perfect. Now I'm going to put this between my two pillars here. Okay, and there's this really cool tool called rectangle that allows you to slide over parts of the object and makes it really useful for the mirror, as you can see. There we go. It's good enough. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and duplicate this mirror here real quick. Right, we'll move that up right there. So for the first mirror, we're going to name this the high quality version. So I'm just going to add HQ to the end. And for this one, I'm going to add LQ to the end. Perfect. All right, for our low quality mirror, we're going to head on down here to reflect layers. We're going to check nothing, and then we're going to check player and mirror reflection. There we go. So our low quality mirror is set up now. So we're going to quickly disable both of these guys. So we don't want them to be enabled in the world on load-in because that would be quite laggy and glitchy. So we have two cubes here. Nothing special about them other than the fact that they have a box collider that's set to is trigger. So we're going to add in two Udon behaviors, one for each. They'll be empty for the time being. Okay, I'm going to hand it over to my assets here. I'm going to go and create a script for it here. So we're going to do create VRChat Udon program asset. We'll name this HQ mirror. Okay, we're going to open this graph. Now we're going to need to create two variables here. Both are going to be game object. So we're going to do game object. Let's rename this HQ mirror. Okay, we're going to make this public so we can see it inside the inspector. We're going to create another one, game object. We're going to name this LQ mirror. And we're also going to make that public so we can see inside the inspector. Okay, now we're going to do hit space, event interact. Okay, now we're going to drag and drop our high quality mirror and low quality mirror over here. Now we're going to do game object get active self. So this is going to be checking if the mirror is turned on or off. And then from this bool here, we're going to drag and drop it. We're going to type in unary negation. Okay, then we're going to go hit space, game object set active. This will be setting the object on or off. So we're going to plug in the arrow here. We're going to plug in the bool to the value here. Then we're going to plug in this game object noodle into the instance slot. Now over here, we're going to do game object set active. Plug in the arrow here. And plug this as the instance slot. And we're set up with this script now. So we're going to go down here into our project folder. We're going to do Control D so we can duplicate this. Let's rename this to LQ mirror. LQ mirror, my bad. Right, now let's open it up. All right, we're in our low quality mirror now. So we're just going to make two quick adjustments. So we're just going to take this guy here. We'll delete him and delete him. We'll put our low quality mirror right here instead. Plug that in there and plug that into here. Put our high quality mirror down here and right into here. All right, now we're going to check this out in the game view. See you there. All right, we're in the game view. So we're going to check our high quality mirror. You can see that turns on. When we click the low quality, it switches over. And to show you that the high quality mirror is still not on, we'll turn this off. You can see it turned off the high quality mirror when I switched to the low quality, and it'll do it vice versa. So say we have low quality on and turn on the high and turn it off, it's gone. So there you go. That is how you set up a VRChat mirror to have a high quality and low quality setting. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. But other than that, have a great day.